the means of transport, then how they can use our daily life. In ancient time, what are the most important transport, how they were used in that time, and present is very helpful to those things, or whatever it may be, water transport or air transport or land transport, whatever, those are help to us. So let's see here. Today's we will start second topic, communication. See here children, what is the means of communication? Now I will talk with you. This is the method of communication, because now as sharing whatever it is, my ideas or opinions or thoughts, now I will share with you. This is the method of communication. It means exchange of facts or ideas, opinions and emotions between two or more people. Between we sharing the other people, our ideas, our facts or our emotions, our feelings through the, it may be spoken language or written language, or it may be in a reading method. All these things we exchange our opinions or ideas to, and we sharing with the other people. It means communication. Then see here, means of communication, we can two types of communication find out here: personal communication and mass communication. In the type of personal communication, these are personal communication, how they can use to us: post office, telephone and fax, mobile phone, email. These are with sharing the personal communication only who wanted to another person, or only one person we sharing with him or her. This is called personal communication. Mass communication means it is in more than people there is, because not only one person there is. We sharing our ideas or opinions with more than one people. Like that, those are methods: newspaper, throughout the our ideas or opinions or emotions, magazines, radio, television, the internet, cinema, advertisement. These are the mass communications. See here how they can changes when the communication started in this society. What are the impact on the society? Over the year, it's developed a major way. The communication they have changes. They very fastly spread there in their developments in major way in this society. So the word that time, the word come closer and to be a smaller place, because in ancient time, you remember, in ancient time the people if they wanted to go to other places by walk distance, very long distance, they were suppose they were tired or they rejected the trolley, whatever it may be, they facing more problems in ancient people. But when the communication developed fastly in the world, that moment the world looking like a smaller place, because one country to another country people sharing their opinions or thoughts or they sharing with another country people very easily. They can understand where they settle down. In that places only they get all knowledges about the world. Distance are no longer a barrier. That is also helpful when the communication is started in this world. Whatever happens in distant part of the world can be known. It means already said where he stayed in that places he get all knowledge about the world because it to be smaller place of the world, looking like a smaller place. Introduction of the printing press, more and more people get books and then newspapers. Easily they can people get a newspaper or books because when the man invented the printing press, that movement very easily spread their knowledge, thoughts or emotions or ideas. He wrote in his books. Throughout the printing machine, the books and newspaper, the people in this world